नमस्कार दोस्तों, NSL जोन by नरेंद्र सिंह में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। NSL जोन वेलकम्स यू ऑल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, डू यू नो वेयर टू यूज फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन एंड वेयर टू यूज थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन। क्लियर योर डाउट फॉर एवर, because as at least one question is always asked in every competitive exams for engineers on this topic of angle projection methods. So now let us start our today's topic. Generally we view a body as if it is in the first quadrant. Then we take the orthographic projections of front view and top view of the body on the vertical plane and horizontal plane respectively. Then we select which plane is to be rotated and in which direction, so that the projected views will not overlap each other and will be in the same plane for drawing purposes. As in our case, if the vertical plane is selected as a plane to be rotated, then the favorable direction of rotation will be counterclockwise to avoid overlapping of views in first angle projection. If the horizontal plane is selected as a plane to be rotated, then the clockwise direction will be favorable to avoid overlapping of views in first angle projection. Now it is clear that selection and direction of rotation of plane, either vertical plane or horizontal plane, will decide which angle projection the respective views will overlap each other. As in our case, the views are not overlapping in first angle, then the views in third angle projection will also not overlap in this case. If we select the direction of rotation of plane in such a way, counterclockwise for horizontal plane or clockwise for vertical plane, that the projected views will overlap each other in first and third angle quadrant, then the second and fourth angle projection will be favorable. So it is only a matter of overlapping of projected views creating confusions in the drawn views. So we go for first and third angle projection methods. As first of all, we start from the first quadrant, then only second, third and fourth quadrants come. No guidelines can be given to decide whether preferences should be given to first angle or third angle method of projection, simply because the information conveyed by either of the methods is the same. Both the methods are in use. I would like to advise everybody, please do not mess first and third angle projection method just by categorizing them into advantages or disadvantages, because literally there is nothing such a kind of difference. These are just the international standards which can restrict us or an individuals to make and represent their own local conventions on local papers. If an organization or an institute has been using a particular method or a long period of time, it will be better not to introduce abrupt changes. First angle projection method is used in all the countries other than United States of America and Australia. Today, with the global approach, one should be familiar with both the systems, but select only one method for practical. Finally, repeating once again that the information about the object or machine conveyed by both the method is interpreted in the same way, and hence method used will not adversely affect the final work or output of any organization. Due to overlapping of views in the second and fourth quadrant, only first and third angle projection methods are in use. Thanks, and hope you learned something extra by watching this video. Okay, we will meet again in a next new video with a new interesting topic. If you find the video useful, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever new video is uploaded.